Greetings! Today we will make egg rice with veggies. Boil 300 grams of rice. Let it cool slightly. Cut 1 carrot into small dices. Cut 1 onion into small dices. Cut 1 bell pepper into small dices. 3 sausages cut into small cubes. Separate 3 to 4 whites and yolks. Beat the yolks. Add salt and pepper to taste. Mix the yolks with boiled rice. Mix well. Three tablespoons vegetable oil. Add chopped vegetables. Stir with a spatula. Add 250 grams of boiled green peas. Can be replaced with canned. Add chopped sausages. After 5 to 7 minutes, the vegetables can be transferred to a separate bowl. 3 tablespoons vegetable oil. Add rice mixed with egg yolks. Fry the rice in a pan for 5 minutes. Mix vegetables with rice. Add egg whites to the pan. Mix everything well. Add salt and pepper to taste. Tell us what city and country you are watching this recipe from, so that I can say hello to you in the next videos. After 7 to 10 minutes, our rice is ready. All my friends love this recipe, and it's even suitable for children. Incredible taste, and the aroma attracts everyone around. Did you like the recipe? Write about it in the comments. Thanks for watching.